Hello everyone, Colin here. I wanted to give you this quick tutorial on how to purchase cryptocurrency nice and easy. Okay, now first things first is you're going to click on the link that brings you to this page on Changely, and then it's all automatically going to be filled in here. If you have a different amount, let's say you want to purchase $500 USD worth, or if it's just 50, the minimum is 50. Okay, you choose what cryptocurrency you want to purchase. My opinion is to leave it on Ethereum because it is one of the faster cryptocurrencies to actually get in your wallet. Okay, it transfers faster, so leave it on that. It'll tell you exactly how much Ethereum you'll get. Click on exchange. It's going to ask you, are you a new user, or if you have an account. Click on I'm a new user. Then you want to go ahead and enter an email address to sign up with. Okay. Okay, it may ask you just to verify. It just wants to make sure that you're not a bot. Okay. All right. Click on continue signing up. Okay. So now it says click on the amounts. This is how much you want. If you want to edit it, again, you can do it right here. Click on the next button. Oh, sorry, amount is too small. Minimum is 100 USD. Okay, let's say it's 100 bucks. Click next. Okay, and now it's going to ask you, where do you want me to send this Ethereum? Okay, you're purchasing Ethereum with USD. Where do you want me to send it to? Here's how you do that. You go over to your Binance account. Okay, when you go to your Binance account, then you simply need to go over to where it says funds, balances, and then right here in balances, just type in ETH, which is the type of currency that you want. You have to send the currency that you want to the exact type of wallet. Okay, so I cannot send Ethereum to a Bitcoin address. I have to send Ethereum to an Ethereum address. So make sure it says ETH. I'm going to go over here to where it says deposit, and I'm going to copy. This is my address. In other words, when somebody asks, well, what's your bank account that I can send the money to? Very similar. Okay, that's your address. So you click on copy address. Once you've done that, you put it over here. This is the Ethereum address that I want you to send this money to. Okay, so it's gonna have that in here. Click again, I am not a robot. Once again, it'll just ask you, it just wants to make sure that you're not a robot. No problem, just follow the instructions. Okay, then you click on continue. And it's very straightforward from here. So it tells you amount 120 USD. Sorry about that, I changed the amount. Fees, it'll tell you what your fees are. This is the total. And all you do is you put in your personal details in here. Just put in the information as they ask you. It's going to ask you to verify your information as well. You know, once you're done with this, you click on continue. Just follow the steps. It'll ask you to put in your payment information, your card info. And that's as simple as it gets. You give it, you know, a few minutes, and your Ethereum will show up in your account. Okay, so just make sure, like I showed you earlier, that you have the right address. Okay, Ethereum, copy that, and go ahead and paste that where it asks for the address. Okay, so once all of that is done, you'll be able to check back in your account a little bit later, and you'll see that you now have some Ethereum. Okay, so that's it. That's how you purchase cryptocurrency.